A funny thing happened the other day. I'm researching on Agwu, what Agwu is. My next ordinary series is basically on Agwu Sochim Madu. So I've been researching, talking to people I would talk to, my own personal intuition, my own Agwu also guiding me in this process. Because most of all these are funny. Some of the things that I've already written down. And I see people like Isi Mary, an elderly man, affirming what I've already written down. And I'm like, bro, nobody taught me this thing, man. But my Agwu is just there doing the job. So in trying to understand the definition of what Agwu is, my mentor already, he's like, my OG. So I was talking to a friend and I asked him, Gini Buddha Agwu to you? Because he recently did he fed his chi and fed his Agwu. So now I asked him, Gini Buddha Agwu? The guy here, like, with excitement, like you see the joy in his heart and in his mind. He leaped up and it was not like, Agwu bute bute. Agwu bute ego. Agwu bute nka. Obute odeye ka another agwu bute kwa ọzọ. I was just smiling when he was saying stuff like that. Saying, now police more. I was smiling. Now I'm going to focus on just what he said about Agwu bute, because I don't want to give you guys all the content, and at the end of the day, if we don't know, go and get my book and read, because this one, God willing, it's going to come in print. So I'm going to have the digital copy. This is going to be in print because people like asking me to like print. So it's going to be in print with this first one. So as I was saying, so him saying that Agwu bute Agwu bute ego, Agwu bute nka. Now he's absolutely correct, but there's a little twist in it. Now, if you give somebody, and it's an intellectual now, if you give that definition to people now, it's a double-edged sword. But what Agwu is, primarily, is akonuche mad. That thing that made you to be extra, that thing that gives you an extra spice in your life. That's what Agwu is. Now, I'm saying Agwu bute. What happens here is Agwu creates that well of inspiration. Agwu gives you knowledge, information. Now, you utilizes what Agwu has given you to materialize wealth. Agwu will not come and give you money. No. But it's going to give you something that is immaterial. It's going to give you knowledge. It's going to give you wisdom. Now, whatever field that you are on, whatever skill you have, it's now going to make it to be extra special, tint you a little bit, conform you. That's why if there's people that have Agwu Dibia, they know one thing, which is that Oburo mmadụ, onye ọbụla bụ Agwu Dibia ka o ji bịa ụwa na-eme akala ụwa ya. Or that your customers, that person would never advertise what he or she is selling. Because the person to advertise what he or she is selling is Agwu. Through the person's work, the person's goodwill messages will keep spreading. And the person will keep getting customers or people that he has to work for. Because fate has determined it that as a Dibia, you are destined to save this person. You are destined to help this person. So, looking at this definition of Agwu as bute, Agwu bute ego, more appropriately, what Agwu is, but Agwu na-ebute akonuche, mmadụ ga-eji wee bụrụ mmadụ, mmadụ ga-eji wee bụrụ ọgaranya. So, when Agwu provides that information, makes you to be creative, increase your creativity level. Now, at the long run, it would now materialize into wealth and success. Dalon.